Good morning students. In last two videos we discussed about partial differentiation. What is partial differentiation? When we use partial differentiation? And what is the rule to do partial differentiation? And also we solved some problems. In this video also I solved some problems. See, the first problem is if U equals to determinant of a 3 by 3 matrices. What are the elements in that matrices? X square, y square, z square, x, y, z and 1, 1, 1. The first row elements are x square, y square, z square. Second row elements are x, y, z and third row elements are 1, 1, 1. This is a 3 by 3 matrix. Then what is the value of U? Determinant of that 3 by 3 matrix. Okay. Show that what we have to show that here ux plus uy plus uz equals to 0. What is ux? Ux means dou u by dou x. What is uy? Dou u by dou y and dou u by dou z. We have to find all the values and we add them, we get the answer is 0. Okay. First I write given u equals to determinant of the elements x 3 by 3 matrices. Okay. We have to show that ux plus uy equals to 0. Do you know how to find the determinant of a 3 by 3 matrices? First we write x square. First we write the element x square and we multiplied the x square with 2 by 2 matrices. What is 2 by 2 matrices? We take this 2 by 2 matrix. How we get this? Leftover elements created when vertical and horizontal line segments are drawn passing through the x. We left over the horizontal line and vertical line of the element x square passing through. Then remaining we get 2 by 2 matrix. We write this determinant here. Okay, is it clear? First we write the element, first element x square and we write the leftover elements vertically and horizontally. We get 2 by 2 matrices. We write the determinant of this 2 by 2 matrix. What is the determinant of this matrices? Y into 1 minus z into 1. Similarly, we write the determinant of y square leftover elements and z square leftover elements. Okay. See here. Tell me what is the determinant of u equals to, first we write x square and y into 1 minus z into 1, then we put the symbol minus and write y square in, and what are the leftover elements? X into 1 minus z into 1, x into 1 minus z into 1. After that we write plus z square into, what are the leftover elements? X into 1 minus y into 1. See here I wrote this. X square into y into 1 minus z into 1 minus y square into x into 1 minus z into 1 plus z square into x into 1 into y minus 1. What we get here implies u equals to x square into y minus z minus y square into x minus z plus z square into x minus y. Let this equation number 1. Okay, is it clear? First we find the determinant of u. After that you find dou u by dou x, dou u by dou y, dou u by dou z. Let this equation number 1. Now we differentiate above equation partially with respect to x, with respect to y, with respect to z. See here. First we differentiate 1 partially with respect to x. What is equation number 1? U equals to x square into y minus z minus y square into x minus z plus z square into x minus y. This is the equation number 1. First we differentiate this equation with respect to x. So I wrote dou by dou x on both sides. That's it. See here. Just I write dou by dou x on both sides of equation number 1. What is that partial derivative of u with respect to x? Is dou u by dou x. Okay. How many functions are there here? One is x square and y minus z is the another. There are two terms, x square into y minus z. When we differentiate partially with respect to x, we treat other elements y and z are constant. So I write y minus z at outside and I differentiate only the term x square. Okay. Here we differentiate with respect to x. So we treat y and z are constant. So I write the constant term y minus z outside and differentiate only the x term x square. Similarly, in this here also we have two terms y square into x minus z. Y square is the constant. In x minus z, z is also constant, but we can't write z at outside. So we differentiate the whole term x minus z with respect to x. Plus, what we have here, z square into x minus y. What is the constants here? Z square and y also. But we write only z square in outside. We can't write y at outside. So we have to differentiate x minus y. Same y minus z. What is the differentiation of x square with respect to x? 2x. Same y square as it is. What is the differentiation of x? 1. What is the differentiation of z? 0. 1 minus 0. So I write 1. Here also z square. And what is the differentiation of x minus y? 1 minus 0. So I write 1. Okay. What we get here? Dou u by dou x equals to 2x into y. 2xy. 2 minus 2x into z minus 2xz minus y square plus z square. Okay. Okay. Is it clear? First we differentiate partially with respect to x the equation, given equation 1. When we differentiate with respect to x, we treat y and z are constant. Similarly, so here also constant, this is also constant, this is also constant. At last we get dou u by dou x equals to 2xy minus 2xz minus y square plus z square. Let this equation number 2. Next. Now we differentiate 1 partially with respect to y. Same equation, just we differentiate with respect to y only. I write dou by dou y on both sides of equation 1. We get dou u by dou y. Now what are the constants here? We respect with respect to y, the constants are x and z. Here x and z are constant. So I write x square outside and differentiate y minus z with respect to y. What are the constants here? Y square into x minus z. X minus z is the constant. So we differentiate only y square term. Here z square is the constant. We differentiate x minus y. Okay. Y minus z, y square, x minus z. Okay. I write what is the differentiation of u with respect to y? Dou u by dou y equals to what it here? X square into what is the differentiation of y minus z? Differentiation of y is 1 and z is 0. So we get 1. Similarly, I write minus x minus z. What is the differentiation of y square? 2y. And z square into what is the differentiation of x minus y? Differentiation of x is 0 and y is 1. So we get 0 minus 1. Minus 1. Therefore, what is the value of dou u by dou y? X square into 1 x square minus 2xy minus into minus plus z 2yz minus z square. Okay. What is the value of dou u by dou y? X square minus 2xy plus 2yz minus z square. Let this equation number 3. Now we differentiate 1 with partially with respect to z. See here. Now we differentiate 1 partially with respect to z. I write dou by dou z on both sides. Dou by dou z of u equals to dou u by dou z. When we differentiate with respect to z, what are the constants? X and y are constant. Here we have two terms, x square into y minus z. So I write x square outside and I differentiate y minus z. Here x minus y square is the constant, we differentiate x minus z. Here x minus y is the constant, so we differentiate only z square. Okay. Okay, dou u by dou z equals to x square. What is the differentiation of y minus z with respect to z? Y is 0 and z is 1. So we get minus 1. And y square. What is the differentiation of x minus z? Differentiation of x is 0 and z is 1. So we get minus 1 here also. Next, x minus y. What is the differentiation of z square? 2z. Therefore, dou u by dou z equals to, I write first y square term. Since it has plus positive term, I write first. So I write y square. After that minus x square. After that 2xz. After that minus 2yz. Okay. First I write y square. Next minus x square. x into 2z 2xz minus y into 2z minus 2yz. Let this equation number 4. We found all the values of dou u by dou x, dou u by dou z, dou u by dou z. All we get all the values of ux, uy, uz. Ux, this is uy, this is uz. Now we add the equations 2, 3, 4. So we get ux plus uy plus uz. We write all the terms, all terms are cancelled here. So we get the answer is 0. Therefore ux plus uy plus uz equals to 0. Okay, is it clear? What is the difference in this sum? They give the value of u is in determinant form. So first we find a determinant, after that we do partial differentiation. Okay, this is the difference. Okay, next sum. See here, if u equals to f of r, that means u is a function of r. U is a function of r. Okay, where r equals to root x square plus y square, that means r is a function of x and y. R is a function of x and y. U is a function of r and r is a function of x. See here, given u is a function of r and r is a function of x and y. But if u equals to f of r, where r equals to root x square plus y square, then what we have to prove that? Prove that dou square u by dou x square plus dou square u by dou y square equals to f double dash r plus 1 by r into f dash r. What we have shown here? F double dash r plus 1 by r into f dash r. Dou square u by dou x square plus dou square u by dou y square equals to what we show? F double dash r plus 1 by r into f dash r. What is the meaning of f dash r? The first derivative of f of r. If you differentiate f, we get f dash r. What is the meaning of f double dash r? If we differentiate f dash r, we get f double dash r. F dash r means we differentiate f of r in once. F double dash r means we differentiate f of r in 2 times. Okay. Given u equals to what? F of r and r equals to root x square plus y square. Let u equals to f of r is the equation number 1 and r equals to x square plus y square is the, let this equation number 2. Now we have to find dou square u by dou x square plus dou square u by dou y square. Dou square u by dou x square means we differentiate u with respect to x partially 2 times and we differentiate u partially with respect to y 2 times. That is the dou square u by dou x square plus dou square u by dou y square. So first we differentiate 1 means u equals to f of r. So we differentiate 1 with respect to x, then we get dou u by dou x. Okay, and again we differentiate with respect to x, we get dou square u by dou x square. So we have to find dou square u by dou x square. That means we differentiate u. Where is u? In equation number 1. So we differentiate u with respect to x. We get dou u by dou x. Okay na? See here. U equals to f of r. We differentiate with respect to x. So I write dou by dou x on both sides. See here. Dou by u this is f of r. I wrote dou by dou x on both sides. Dou by dou x of u equals to dou by dou x of f of r. What is the differentiation of u? Dou u by dou x. What is the differentiation of f of r? F of r means function in r. F of r means function in r. That means suppose sin r. What is the differentiation of sin r? Cos r and we differentiate r. Similarly, first we differentiate the function means f. First we differentiate f. We get f dash. After that we differentiate the term r. Tan inverse x square. What is the differentiation of tan inverse x square? 1 by 1 plus we write x square whole square and again we differentiate x squares. And first we differentiate the function, after that we differentiate the term. Similarly, here also we differentiate first f. F means function. If we differentiate function, we get f dash r. And after that we differentiate the function inside. What that function? R. We differentiate r. Yesterday in video tan inverse, in previous video we solved tan inverse root x square plus y square, or tan inverse x square plus y square, tan inverse x plus y. We solved this problem. First we write the formula of tan inverse, and after that we differentiate that function x plus y. Similarly, first we differentiate f, we get f dash r. After that we differentiate r. This is the most important point. Just simply write f dash r and never leave this like this. We differentiate the function r also, okay? So we get dou u by dou x equals to f dash r into dou r by dou x. What we have to find here? Dou square u by dou x square. So we differentiate again with respect to x. See here, again differentiate with respect to x, the above equation. So I write dou by dou x on both sides. See here, dou by dou x of dou u by dou x equals to dou by dou x of f dash r into dou r by dou x, okay? Okay, next. What is the value of dou by dou x into dou u by dou x? Dou square u by dou x square. Okay. See here, how many elements we have? 2 elements. F dash r into dou r by dou x. We have 2 terms. So we use u into v formula. We use differentiation of uv formula. What is the differentiation of u into v? First we write the term u and differentiate the term v. After that we write the term v and differentiate the term u. Okay, now what is the formula of u into v? This is u, this is v. Then we write equation, first u into differentiation of v plus v into differentiation of u, okay? So I write f dash r differentiation of dou r by dou x plus dou r by dou x differentiation of f dash r, okay? Therefore dou square u by dou x square same, f dash r same. What is the value of dou by dou x of dou r by dou x? Dou square r by dou x square, okay, plus dou r by dou x same. What is the differentiation of f dash r? What we write here? What is the differentiation of f of r? F dash r, and we again differentiate the function r with respect to x. Similarly, we write what is the differentiation of f dash r? What is the differentiation of f dash? F double dash r, and also we have to differentiate r again with respect to x, okay? If we have f of r, we write f dash r and dou r by dou x. Here we have f double dash r, f dash r. So we get f dash r and f double dash r and dou r by dou x, okay? So I write, see here. So I write f dash r, this is dou square r by dou x square, dou r by dou x. Differentiation of f dash r is f double dash r and dou r by dou x, okay na? Is it clear? The last line, dou square u by dou x square same term, f dash r also same. This is the value. What is this value? Dou square r by dou x square. This is also clear. Same dou r by dou x I write. In this case, we if you differentiate f dash r, what we get? F double dash r. I write this. And we have to differentiate that function inside. What we have? R. Oh, so I write dou r by dou x. Okay. Next. What we get here? Dou square u by dou x square. F dash r into dou square r by dou x square. This is dou r by dou x. This is also dou r by dou x. What we get? Dou r by dou x whole square. This is dou r by dou x whole square. Okay. See here. F dash r into dou square r by dou x square plus f double dash r into dou r by dou x whole square. Let this equation number 3. We find dou square u by dou x square. What we find now? Dou square u by dou y square. Similarly, we write this. What we get it? Dou square u by dou x square f dash r. We differentiate with respect to x here. So we get dou square r by dou x square. What we got here? Dou square r by dou y square. Same f double dash r. Same dou r by dou x we write instead dou r by dou y whole square. Similarly, we write, just we put y instead of x in equation number 3. We change x, just put y in x place, y square. This is also y square, this is also y square. Remaining everything is same. So we get dou square u by dou x square and dou square u by dou y square. Okay. What we have to find here? We have to find dou square r by dou x square value, and dou square r by dou y square value, and dou r by dou x whole square value, and dou r by dou y whole square value. We have to find all these 4 values now. Just we find dou square u by dou x square, dou square u by dou y square. Now we are going to find these 4 values. What are they? Dou square r by dou x square, dou square r by dou y square, dou r by dou x whole square, dou r by dou y whole square. How do you get these 4 values? Tell me. Dou r by dou x means what we have to differentiate here? We differentiate r with respect to x. We get dou r by dou x. Then how do you get dou square r by dou x square? Again we differentiate this dou r by dou x with respect to x. We get dou square r by dou x square. Similarly, we write dou r by dou y and dou square r by dou y square. Okay, na? First we have to find the value of dou r by dou x. Means we differentiate the function r with respect to x. From equation number 2, what is the value of r? They give root x square plus y square. See here, now we differentiate 2 partially with respect to x. R equals to root x square plus y square. Simply I write dou by dou x on both sides. Differentiation of r is dou r by dou x. What is the formula of root x? Differentiation of root x means 1 by 2 root x, and we differentiate the function again. Similarly, I write root x square plus y square. Differentiation of root x square plus y square is 1 by 2 root x square plus y square, and again I differentiate the function x square plus y square. Okay. First I write the formula of root, just root formula. What is the root? Differentiation of root? 1 by 2 root. What we have, we write. After that we differentiate the function inside the root. Okay. Dou r by dou x is equal to 1 by 2 root x square plus y square, and dou by dou x of x square plus y square. Here we differentiate partially with respect to x. Then what is the constant here? Y is the constant. R is a function of x comma y. If you differentiate with respect to x, treat y is a constant. And similarly, if you differentiate with respect to y, treat x as a constant. So, what is the differentiation of dou by dou x of x square plus y square? Tell me. What is the differentiation of x square? 2x. Where y square is constant, so we get 0. Therefore, we get 2x. See here. Same. Okay, same equation I write here. Dou r by dou x equals to 1 by 2 root x square plus y square into dou by dou x of x square plus y square, where y square is the constant. So we get differentiation of x square is 2x plus y square is 0. So we get only 2x. Therefore, dou r by dou x is equal to 1 by 2 root x square plus y square into 2x. 2 to cancel. What we get? Dou r by dou x equals to x into 1, x by root x square plus y square. This is equation number 5. Similarly, we write dou r by dou y equals to, just interchange the place of x with y. I write y by x square plus y square. Okay. Same. Just change x with y. Similarly, we get x square means y square means x square. What we get here? Same, root x square plus y square. So, what the value of dou r by dou y is y by root x square plus y square. Let this equation number 6. We have dou r by dou x, dou r by dou y. What we find now? Dou square r by dou x square and dou square r by dou y square. So I differentiate 5 partially with respect to x. Again we differentiate 5 partially with respect to x. So I write dou by dou x on both sides of 5. Okay. Dou by dou x of dou r by dou x equals to dou by dou x of x by root x square plus y square. What is the differentiation of dou by dou x of dou r by dou x? Is dou square r by dou x square. Okay, right. What we do here to differentiate x by root x square plus y square? X by root x square plus y square. This is what is the form? What is this form? U by v formula. What is the differentiation of u by v? Did you know the formula of differentiation of u by v? Tell me. V differentiation of u minus u differentiation of v by v square. This is the formula of u by v. Differentiation formula of u by v. What is u here? X. What is v here? Root x square plus y square. So I write, see here. Same. I write same. Okay. Formula is v differentiation of u minus u differentiation of v by v square. What we have to write first? V. This is u, this is v. First I write v. V means root x square plus y square into differentiation of u. And that means dou by dou x of what is u? X. Minus u into, that means u, what is u? X into differentiation of v. That implies dou by dou x of root x square plus y square. By v square. What is v? Root x square plus y square whole square. Okay, na? Is it clear? Okay. Next, dou square r dou x square equals to same. Root x square plus y square same. What is the differentiation of x? 1. Minus x into, what is the differentiation of root? Root means 1 by 2 root, same function, and again we differentiate the x square plus y square function. Okay. Next, here we cancel square and root also. What we get? X square plus y square, differentiation of x is 1. Same x. Same x we write. The formula of root is 1 by 2 root and differentiate the function inside x square plus y square. Here the square and root also cancelled. What we have? What we get? X square plus y square into 1 root x square plus y square minus x ki I write x as same and 1 by 2 root x square plus y square. What is the differentiation of x square plus y square with respect to x? Where x square differentiates in 2x and y square is the constant. So we get 2x. This is the 2x term. X square plus y square root minus x into 1 by 2 root x square plus y square. Differentiation of x square plus y square is 2x. I cancelled here 2 and 2. So we get root x square plus y square minus x into x. X square by what we have here? Root x square plus y square by x square plus y square. Okay, na? X square plus y square. X into x, x square. Here root x square plus y square and denominator is x square plus y square. See here. Root x square plus y square minus x square by root x square plus y square by denominator is x square plus y square. What is the LCM in numerator? What we have in numerator? Root function minus x square by root function. What is the LCM is? Root x square plus y square is the root. Okay. What is the LCM of numerator is root x square plus y square. Okay. Then what we get here? Root x square plus y square into root x square plus y square is root x square plus y square is the LCM. Root x square plus y square into root x square plus y square, x square plus y square minus what we have here? X square by what is the denominator? X square plus y square. Okay, na? This is also denominator, this is also denominator. So I write these two denominators side by side. Okay, LCM of root x square plus y square I wrote in denominator. Already we have denominator as x square plus y square, so I write x square plus y square into root x square plus y square in denominator. What we have in numerator, root into root cancel x square plus y square, we get minus x square. So cancel x square, we get what we get here, y square by what is the value of root into 1, x square plus y square whole power, what we have here 1, and root x square plus y square means x square plus y square whole power 1 by 2. Bases are same, so add powers 1 plus 1 by 2, we get 3 by 2. So I write x square plus y square whole power 3 by 2. This is the value of dou square r by dou x square. Okay, is it clear? First we do LCM. After that cancel x square term, we get y square. In denominator we get x. We have both x square y square same terms, so we add the powers 1 plus 1 by 2, we get 3 by 2. So therefore dou square r by dou x square value is y square by x square plus y square whole power 3 by 2. Similarly we write dou square r by dou y square. Simply change x instead of y. Just I write y in x place, same. What we have here, dou square r by dou, what we write here, instead of x we write y square, instead of y we write x square, instead of dou square r by dou y square equals to what we write here, y square instead of x square. What we write here, x square plus y square, we write y square plus x square whole power 3 by 2, both are same. So dou square r by dou y square equals to x square and x square plus whole square whole power 3 by 2. This is equation number 8. We get all 4 values. Okay, what are the values? Now we get here, we got all 4 values, dou square r by dou x square, dou square r by dou y square, dou r by dou x and dou r by dou y. Now we substitute all 4 values in what? See here, from 3 and 4 we add 3 and 4, dou square u by dou x square plus dou square u by dou y square equals to f dash r into dou square r by dou x square plus f double dash r into dou r by dou x whole square plus f dash r into dou square r by dou y square plus f double dash r into dou r by dou y whole square. This is the sum of equations 3 and 4. Here we add equation number 3 and equation number 4, we get this one. Same, that implies we get same LHS. In RHS, what we have to take common? See here, in these two terms, what is the common term? F dash r is the common. So I take f dash r in common. What we have remain? Dou square r by dou x square and dou square r by dou y square. Similarly, what are the common terms in these two terms? F double dash r is the common term. So let's take f double dash r is common. So we get dou r by dou x whole square plus dou r by dou y whole square. Now we substitute the values of 5, 6, 7, 8 in above equations. What are the 5, 6, 7, 8? 5 is the value of dou r by dou x. 6 is the value of dou r by dou y. And 7 and 8. 7 is the value of dou square r by dou x square. And 8 is the value of dou square r by dou y square. We substitute all 5, 6, 7, 8 in above equation, these 4 places. Okay. See here, dou square u by dou x square plus dou square u by dou y square equals to f dash r into, what is dou square r by dou x square? Dou square r by dou x square is y square by x square plus y square whole power 3 by 2. See here, f dash r into y square by x square plus y square whole power 3 by 2 plus what is dou square r by dou y square? Just change y as x, x as y. I write here plus f double dash r into what we have here, dou r by dou x whole square. First see what is the value of dou r by dou x. Here, what is the value of dou r by dou x? X by root x square plus y square. Then what is the value of dou r by dou x whole square? Taking both, squaring on both sides, we get x square by, if you square root term, root and square also cancelled. Then we get x square by y. plus y square. This is the value of dou r by dou x whole square. Similarly, what is the value of dou r by dou y whole square? Y square by x square plus y square. I wrote here. See here, just f double dash r into x square by x square plus y square and y square by x square plus y square. Now, f dash r into, what is the LCM? X square plus y square whole power 3 by 2 is the LCM. What we get in numerator? X square plus y square. Okay, just put bracket here. Okay, plus f double dash r. What is the LCM here? X square plus y square is the LCM. What we get in numerator? X square plus y square. We cancel x square plus y square, x square plus y square, and this is the power. What is the power here? 1. This is the power of 3 by 2. If we cancel 1, what we get here? Just x square plus y square whole power 1 by 2. This is the answer. This is f dash r. We cancel x square plus y square. We get 1 by x square whole power 1 by 2. Plus we get f double dash r. What is the meaning of x square plus y square whole power 1 by 2? Tell me. Whole power 1 by 2 means root x square plus y square. In given sum, what is the value of root x square plus y square? Is r. So I write here in this place just r. Okay. That implies we get f dash r plus 1 by r into f double dash r. This is the answer. See here. F dash r. I write this instead of this. I write r and same f double dash r. So this is the answer we have to show. Okay.